Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to make some crispy fried fish and spicy barbecue sauce in my kitchen, so keep on watching. I descaled and cleaned inside of the fish, then I washed it in white vinegar 4 times. Then I removed all the fins using a scissors. Then I made some slits on top of the fish on both sides. Then I place them on a plate and pat dry them. When you pat dry the fish, it will remove the excess water, so that when you start frying it and add it to the heated oil, it will not flash on you. The oil will not pop on you. I combined 1.5 tablespoons of fish seasoning with 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Now I'm going to add them to the fishes. I'm going to add it all over the fish, in the creases inside of the fish, because when you season your fish properly, it will allow it to have a very nice taste and flavor. Ensure that you season the head properly, because you know we want the head to have a nice taste. Season the creases properly also on both sides and inside of the fishes. Now I'm going to add flour on both sides of the fishes. Do not add a lot of flour because we're not frying chicken. Just add a small amount on each side just to coat them. I added 1 garlic clove to the heated oil. I turned it down to a low heat because I don't want them to burn. I just want them to flavor the oil. Now I'm going to remove them since they start to turn golden brown, and allow the oil to finish heating up. Now I'm going to gently add the fishes to the pot. I'm going to fry them head and tail on a medium flame. Now I'm going to turn them when they become golden brown, and I'm going to reduce the flame to a low because I don't want them to just fry. I want them to fry properly. Now I remove them, and I'm going to add the next 2 fishes in to be fried. I finished frying them, so I'm going to make the sauce. These are the seasons that I'll be using in the barbecue sauce. I left some seeds in the peppers because I want it to be spicy. Also, I sliced my carrots very thin because they will not cook properly, they will be crunchy. remove the remains from the fishes and drain the excess oil. Now I'm going to add my tomato ketchup, my brown sugar, and a teaspoon of honey and give it a good mix so that it will be incorporated properly. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Chinese soya sauce and give it a good stir. I am going to use 1 teaspoon of corn flour to thicken the sauce. I am going to add in my carrots. Now I'm going to add in the natural seasoning. I am making the sauce on a low flame. I am going to add in 1/4 cup of water. This is the finished product of the sauce. It looks and smells so good. This sauce is really good, guys. You need to try it. Now I'm going to add the sauce to the fish, but I allowed it to cool down a little because I don't want it to let my fish become soft. I want it to remain crispy. From my kitchen to yours, I present to you how I make crispy fried fish and spicy barbecue sauce. I know you guys enjoyed this video, so please give me a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe if you haven't yet done so.